I love pizza, you love pizza, we all love pizza. But what about making it different? In today's video we're gonna do just that. And we are making pizza rolls. This is a recipe to remember. And if you're first time on this channel, please consider subscribing because this is Kitchen Draft, the place where you can learn how to cook or improve your cooking skills. We start this recipe with the pizza dough. See, 750 grams of strong white flour. I believe using this flour you're gonna get the best results, but if plain flour is all you've got, just go for it. Now make a well into the flour to create place for the ingredients we're gonna be adding. I am working with dried yeast, but fresh yeast is definitely gonna do the job. Just make sure it was kept in the right conditions. I believe that dried yeast is a bit more consistent, that's why I'm not even testing it before going ahead. To help the yeast activating, we're gonna be adding half teaspoon of sugar, following by 1 tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of oregano for that Italian flavor. And let's don't forget the olive oil, because this will get us the right consistency of the dough and it will enhance the flavor. Now we get the whisk in action. Gradually add the warm water, which should be somewhere close to the human body temperature, and keep mixing until the yeast is completely dissolved. Let's get our hands dirty. Kneading the dough is a crucial step in this recipe. Start by incorporating the flour into the yeast mixture. After that, more water will be gradually added. We keep kneading the dough until we form a smooth ball with an elastic texture. Get some flour or oil into the bowl so the dough won't stick. And it's time to leave it for about an hour in a warm place to proof. Just wrap the bowl in plastic wrap, as this will help with the process. Meanwhile, we can move on so we get ready all the ingredients that we need for this recipe. Quick garlic butter, finely chop some garlic, butter goes in, and towards the end for a better flavor we're gonna add some rosemary. For this recipe, I'm using a combination of smoked cheddar and mozzarella, but you can use whatever you want or whatever you've got in the fridge. Good Italian salami, but if you want to make it with ham or you want to make it with pepperoni, or if you want to make it vegetarian, all you have to do is just adjust the recipe. After an hour, our dough is double in size. I am using half and the other half will go into the freezer for another day. I am planning to bake 2 trays of pizza rolls. So this big chunk of dough will get divided in 2. This will also help with the rolling process. And let's start rolling. And rolling and rolling till our dough gets to a 3 mm thickness. Now our pizza base is ready. So we're adding the tomato sauce. This is a tomato sauce that I made myself, but we're gonna cover this in future videos. It's quite easy to make. It has just like 4 ingredients: plum tomatoes, onions, garlic, and oregano. You can obviously use shop-bought tomato sauce and you're gonna get similar results. We follow up with the cheese, which is gonna be sprinkled over the tomato sauce. The salami goes on top and I'm breaking this into smaller pieces. And to finish our pizza roll filling, I'm adding chili flakes and a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. As you can see, I'm placing the tomato sauce, the cheese and the salami on only 1/3 of the dough. And that's because we need to have the right balance between the dough and the rest of the ingredients. Starting from one end, gradually wrap the ingredients with the dough, forming a log. In the end, it will look more or less like a Swiss roll. And now it's time to portion this log into your preferred size. I would say that 1 inch is the perfect size for this recipe. Place the pizza rolls into the tray and leave them for another 20 minutes in a warm place so they will rise. Set your oven at 200 degrees and we will leave them in there for about 15 minutes. And to finish our recipe, we're gonna brush the pizza rolls with the garlic butter that we prepared earlier. And we are back with the wrap up. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we are still in the mission to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And I'm pretty sure with your help, I'll get there. And share this with your friends and your family, and all the best. Stay at home and cook at home. Ciao.